So this is a single shot exercise. So you're going to draw, you're going to aim, you're going to fire as fast as you safely can. Your goal is 2.5 seconds or under. Some of you will do 2 1/4, some of you will do 2. I was pulling 1.6s on Thursday from concealment. So what we're going to do, draw, fire, reholster. We're going to do that 5 times. I'm going to take your best shot out of the 5, okay? Everybody needs to have at least 5 rounds in a mag. Then that's what we're going to do. That's like the second half of the assessment, the evaluation.
Oh shit, Solomon's up!
I just want pressure.
Hey, why don't you put TJ out there first?
Okay, first of all, check
TJ's side.
Make sure it's loaded, chamber.
Pressure. No,
hey TJ, where you at?
Right here.
Oh, okay, I'm just making sure you're over there, not over there.
Yeah, double check it.
Don't want to get you shot. Okay, Aller. Let's see Aller.
Yeah. All right, shooter ready. Stand by. With a split of 0.43, not half bad. Shooter ready. You don't have to do this. It's actually better. It's actually better to be down like this.
Hey, he has a sound
I'm
system.
going to be in interview stance when I'm talking to somebody.
Hands up, don't shoot.
Yeah. Whatever. You'd be in interview stance then. Whatever you're ready for. Stand by. .209. That's your best so far. Reholster. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Patty cake, patty cake.
From the hip!
No.
Damn
it! No.
What was his time on that though?
Stand by. First shot was 1.38, but shooting from the hip doesn't count.
Yeah, the 15 yards.
He's now in jail for reckless endangerment, which is a Class A misdemeanor.
You shot a baby.
You shot no.
Seriously though, that's reckless endangerment, which is a Class A misdemeanor. You're ineligible for a license for 5 years now. Stand by. 297. Stand by. This is your last one. Right now, 204 is your best. Stand by.
Take it off.
194. That is your best.
Those are good patty cake.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Like 4 seconds.
186. Very nice.
Oh!
That's a contender right there.
Did you say .86?
186. Yeah, no, that's impossible. Stand by.
says it's impossible.
Shivering.
186 is good. Stand by.
He's got to beat that. He's got to beat that time.
Yep.
176. Now we're talking. Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Stand by. 163. Now you get into AJ territory. One more. Stand by.
Safety.
163 is your best. Good job.
Fucking up there. Shiver in my ass off.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Yeah, I was on the down shiver.
You're timing it.
201. Stand by. 203. At least he's consistent.
TJ.
No, he has to be in full configuration.
Really?
Stand by. Two.
Are you gonna walk up to everybody and just pull your fucking hood off?
Stand by.
Everybody gets flushed at the 4th shot. It's like that 4th shot.
The 4-shot
Yeah, it
curve.
starts getting in their
Stand
hand.
by.
That's my baby. It's the part of it getting their concentration off.
I'm gonna die for
2 seconds even with your I'll never do it again. Shooter ready?
Hey, girl.
Stand by.
TJ, have y'all looked at...
Stand by.
Oh, wait. You want to watch her?
Stand by. You did it. 4.5 seconds. Practice that like a lot. Last one. Stand by. That was 288. Your best one.
She's really
way
coming
up.
back. Yes.
Yeah.
Stand by.
Because I had that
way
rigged up
too
for
high.
me and I wanted it high.
Yeah, everybody's different, you know. So
My hips are at
get you a low ride holster. And
Stand
it'll be
by.
Maybe too far
down here.
forward now.
But I think it looked like it's a little forward, and she was having to.
Man, those G-code deals, it's hard to move it on the belt. You
Oh yeah, I know. It's good. That's a good thing.
Stand by.
I know, right?
But whenever you're not neutral, and you have to, because you'll torque it one way or another, especially if you're forward, and it'll catch you. So.
That was 7 point.
We haven't been shooting out of the holster until Friday.
And I've got a low
You're
ride
getting-
if y'all want to use
Get a high tank grip.
I don't
You're
ever
gripping
use
it like down here.
We
so
might
if you
try that.
Get up in that ass.
It'll be a little part of
Yeah.
down here.
This was set up for
The bottom of it will be about right there.
Stand by.
This was set up for me, and even on me, it would be, there.
Yeah. I'll next time we get to.
Okay.
I'll give it to you.
One more.
It'll fit that
Win.
Are you out?
Oh shit.
You have no magnet?
What do you need? 40?
No, don't do that.
No, yeah, don't do that.
That's
fine.
a squib anyway.
3.52. All right, shoot ready.
But
Check your weapon. Stand by.
Used to the technique, it doesn't transfer.
3.29. Stand by. 1.97. So 2 seconds. Good job. Stand by. .240. 197. Still better. Stand by.
Yeah. Just have to pull his jacket.
4 seconds.
That was a hit.
One. You hit my post. You hit my post.
I will confirm going. I'm still going. Fuck yeah.
That was 15.95. Did he? You're
About
fired.
halfway down.
That's what I
Nice shot. Stand by.
Yeah, look where you hit the post.
197 was your best.
Come over here and catch some casings.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Well, the first one was
expected that out like yours.
been on target. That'd been great. Stand by.
Oh, you cheater.
193. That's a good one. Stand by.
I'm gonna laugh when you fall.
Stand by.
Oh, it's fucking
194. Good job. 193 was your other better one. Last one. Stand by. 184. Good job. Very nice. All right, ready? I'm ready. Stand by.
I didn't make it standard. Huh?
First shot was 187 over
Okay,
here.
yes.
Stand by.
Oh, that's an illegal holster.
Yeah, Serpa.
Oh. You're gonna shoot yourself.
He has a Serpa.
I know. He's saving up for a real holster. Don't worry. 207.
He's got a real holster.
Stand by.
Oh man, always hating on the surface.
I love my Serpa. I sleep
178.
Dang.
You like that?
Now he's motivated. Now he's like talking shit.
Last one. 186, 178.
That'd be two tens. All right, Junior.
Give me my sir.
All right, you ready? Ready. Stand by. $176.
Nice.
In the contenders. All right. Stand by. 167.
Damn.
You want to go good?
You like those ones and sevens and
I'll do
sixes?
this shit left-handed.
Stand by.
With this double
Oh,
hoodie.
not really.
that guy.
Not really. Oh, that would have been close too.
That first shot was 154.
Yep.
You hit it.
Dang.
Stand by. Last one.
Different directions for a reason.
Ah, hit the target, bitch.
That first one was 154 again, but you didn't hit it. 167 is your number. That puts you in second. Okay.
So I can open hood down, right? Rick, Cowboy, don't shoot yourself.
You have
Don't
to
shoot
be
the ground.
Full
Yeah.
retention.
Hey,
Careful.
he's pointing at
He's flagging the instructor.
Flagging the instructor.
Full retention
Shots on
mode.
the ground. Shots on the ground.
1911 with safeties on. New policy. Well, really, you should. You should be cocked and locked on those things. Get back.
Yeah, George.
Don't make me create a policy on that. Watch out. Seriously, a cocked and unlocked 1911 is just bad. Get up on the line. Don't fuck yourself at 18 inches.
Oh, she's getting real now.
Oh, he's taking the gloves out. Hey, you still got the left one. What are you, Michael Jackson? Oh, look, you're not countering, by the way. Damn.
Ready?
You got all that shit moving.
Stand by.
Hey, give me the line. He's showing how to do it the right way.
Yeah, that was 3.84. You're buying lunch for everybody. Stand by. $376, better. Stand by.
Cheater. Cheater.
I saw that. 320. Shoot better.
Hey, that's a big Q. He did. Yeah, I didn't have hood on.
Stand by.
The hole through the pole. That's all he was aiming there.
77.
The other day was late.
I turned around and asked myself.
Last one. Stand by.
Fucking Solomon's 15-yard hit. Damn.
271. That's your best.
I'm trying to back up there.
Alright, loaded, ready? Alright, stand by.
Right behind the post.
Seat the mag. No. John.
It didn't look like your back was set.
Yeah, your mag isn't seated. Okay, pull the weapon.
Hey, it's because it's Greg's 1911. That's why he's going to take the finger off. 2 World Wars. There you go. You laughing at motherfucker? You carry 1911. Hey, it's because it's yours. That's why it doesn't work.
He's put some bad juju on my shit.
You're right. Take a breath.
What's this mag?
Get ready. Stand by.
You haven't hit.
I gotta get my, if I had my
Stand by.
Because I'm used to it. This one I just get.
I've done probably.
It is. Oh, hell yeah, dude. It is. Pressure on.
Ready? Stand by. Nice.
There you go, John. Slow down, man. You got it.
Backing up, stand by.
You have to go shoot.
Be ready with the new mag.
Take that glove off, John.
Oh, you do? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
John.
John, take that glove off. Try glove off.
Yeah, because that'll move your fingers. Yeah.
One of these.
Got this, take a breath. Ready? Stand by.
It was the magazine.
Yeah, that magazine's an act. Alright, last one. Stand by. Shooter ready.
So are we going to send Brian?
Stand by.
As soon as you make your grant.
Okay, you're jerking the trigger on the first one, and then you pressed on it like you're supposed to.
Yeah.
And then you hit it. Come out, press, break your shot. You got this. Stand by.
As you're coming in. See how small the button is?
There you go, 288. Good work.
Close that hood.
You better close that hood.
It's got a lot in here.
Stand by.
Yeah, I hung up on that one.
Hey, 219. Now you're in the game. Stand by. That first was 172. That'll put you in like 4th place. You got plenty of rounds? Magazine backwards in your pouch.
Yeah.
Stand by. First shot was in 2 seconds. Last one. Stand by. There you go.
Yeah!
That is 1.42.
Woo!
Hey, bud, ready? Shooter ready. Stand by. .257.
Nice.
Stand by. Stand by.
You do that again?
Yeah.
19. Now we're talking. Stand by.
I'm just glad I got sub 2.
175.
Woo!
Last
Yeah.
one.
I'm gonna go yes.
160.
Good job.
Ready? Stand by. You do not have a round in the chamber.
Where's my husband?
Go first, my husband.
Run your slide.
Good.
It's got to be covered.
Stand by. Stand by.
There you go.
That's the 305. Last one. Stand by.
There you go.
269. That's the loaded chamber. Magazine fully inserted.
Marijuana. They're just shooting.
Shooter ready. Stand by. All right. Let's do it again. Stand by. There we go. 216. Anything below 2 1/4 is considered good. That's good work. Stand by.
Lean forward.
No, you have plenty. It's a 17. Stand by. Stand by. Last shot. Hey, 178. Now you're ready.
Running out of battery.
Hold on. Practice. Practice.
Running out of battery.
No pressure.
I'm running out of battery.
Run out of battery. You're running out of battery.
I am.
Well, hold on a second. Let's just,
I didn't get through that.
All right, let's do this thing.
Nobody else can do that.
Shooter ready.
Over there, the top board.
1.88. Shooter ready.
On Thursday.
Stop. 1.76.
I gotta be there at 1.4.
Shooter ready. Stop. 2.99 first shot, 2.02.
Pull.
Shooter ready.
160.
What's going on, AJ? They're gonna get you.
Yeah, 160.
2.24. Last one.
Yeah.
Shooter ready.
I'll get fast next round.
Stop. 1.89.
1.76 was my best. You write that down?
199.
He's cheating. You're a cheater.
Ready. Stand by.
Hey, Robert, can I see yours real quick? What? I'm gonna run some rounds to yours. It needs to be broken in.
Yeah, me. 115. 1.15.
By the way, you like how my light
1.15.
just holding on?
It was down.
Everything I figured out again.
Put the hood on.
Cheater. Right,
Problem
stand by,
is
stand
you're
by.
gonna screw up the shot timer.
2.48.
Those 45s hitting that plate make a much deeper and harder dome.
Yeah.
Ready?
You can hear it.
All right.
It's the target's at orange.
Do you need me to go out there and repaint it for you?
Ready? No, no, it is.
It's your proximity.
You know what? Ready? Stay by. Still can't hit it. Damn it!
You see
Here,
it?
put the shot timer in your pocket.
The environment just screwed me up.
The target.
A parade or a rally is completely going to be in zone.
Jam. Jam. Now he's empty. Still hadn't hit it.
Oh, you did. There it is.
You're over the right shoulder is what it looks like.